What's up, everybody? In today's video I'm going to be showing you how to get this nice winter dewy skin makeup tutorial. So let's get right into it. So I'm going to be starting off with some MAC Fix Plus like I always do, and I'm going to be going in with the Maybelline foundation and the Milani foundation and mix those two together just to get a close enough match. I know it looks pretty crazy on camera, y'all, but trust me, in person it matches. It matches. Trust me, it's just my camera. Now I'm going to be taking my ColourPop concealers. Y'all, I love layering concealers. I'm using a ColourPop concealer that's close enough to my foundation shade, and then I'm going in with a lighter one, which is tan. That color is the color tan. And I'm also going to be layering on top the AOA Studio concealer in the color Biscuit. Now, that color looks pretty like yellow, and it is pretty yellow, but it oxidizes darker. So that's why I got a shade that was kind of light. So because it kind of oxidizes darker, just so it blends better. Taking my MAC Times Patrick Star powder, I'm going to be setting underneath my eyes. Taking a large fan brush in my Black Radiance contour palette, I'm going to be taking that contour shade right there, and I'm just going to be blending out my contour. Now, the fan brush is pretty good. Like, you guys should honestly try it. Try a large fan brush and just try contouring with that. Y'all gonna love it. Trust me, for real. Now taking my Hoola bronzer and my Morphe 527 brush, I'm just going to be bronzing up my skin and my face. Now taking my e.l.f. contour duo, I'm going to be taking that blush on a Makeup Shack brush, and I'm just going to be adding that to my face, my nose, my chin, and everything else, and spraying my face with some face gloss. Taking my BH Cosmetics Spotlight Highlight Palette, I'm going to be taking that purpley shade right there, and I'm just going to be using it to highlight. And I'm also going to be blending a little bit of Dream with it as well. Now taking my Lash Paradise Mascara by L'Oreal, I'm going to be running that through my brows and also adding that to my lashes. Taking my Wet n Wild lipstick in Java, I'm just going to be running that across my lips. And also taking the Maybelline Superstay Matte Ink. I forgot what shade this was, but I'm going to be popping that in the center. Taking my Ruby Kisses Super Gloss in Iced Coffee, and I'm just going to be adding that to my lips. And we're all done. I just popped off camera to pop on some lashes, and this is the finished look. I hope you guys liked it, and I'll see you guys in my next video.